What's up, everyone? We just finished watching, what was the movie? Hidden Numbers. It was so good. I loved it.
Correction,
loved it.
Hidden Figures. Oh yeah, we loved it so much, eh?
It was very inspirational, very touching. I had a few tears. No, seriously, my favourite actresses were in there, so, you know, I was just like glued to the screen, like legit. But I highly recommend that movie if you ever want to watch it. Hidden Numbers. Hidden Figures, I think. Yeah, Hidden Figures. It is so bomb. I recommend it. If you don't like it, then my bad. Sorry. Just try to inspire you. But anyways, hope you guys are having a good time, and
Oh, well, we're here at One Tree Hill. It's looking fabulous. Oh my gosh. Singlet is like flying. I can't even see where I'm looking at right now. Here's Nia taking a photo. Look at my Here's hand. Everybody else. Get in here. And here's everyone else. Oh yeah. This is really cool. I'm loving it. Beautiful day. Here we are, what's this called? This fountain thingy. Not even a fountain. It's just like a, what is it? The Michael's Memorial. I was like, so cool. And then there's me. My family. Hi, it's a new day. I haven't vlogged in ages. My auntie is over from Dunedin. She's going to Australia. So we've just been hanging out. Here's Mum. Hi. Okay. Acts all innocent, but she's evil. Pure evil. Here's Nia. My mum was telling me that last night. I was snoring. Like, not just this like small little soft nice snoring, but it was like heavy snoring. I think it might be because I'm so fit. So fit that I just snore away. I'm running in my dreams. Anyways, yeah. That's so cool. Oh, makes me want to go to the toilet. That's so nice. My mom and auntie.
What's up everyone? I'm just here at home. There's nothing really to do. I'm just watching some YouTube and chilling. I just finished eating, as you saw, which is pretty much what most of my day consists of. But yeah, how are you guys doing? It's not like you guys are gonna talk back to me, but yeah, anyways. Rhetorical question. Just staying here at home, and then we have a church games tonight, so I'm looking forward for that. We're currently doing this like Biggest Loser thing, so should be interesting. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be the biggest loser or the biggest gainer. But honestly, this weight loss journey is so like testing my limits, because food, I love food, but to lose weight you have to cut down food and cut out the things that you like to eat, but I love to eat, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. It's only week 1, so 1 down, 4 more weeks to go. Better take this double chin away, eh? Anyways, have a good day guys. Love ya. Hey, what's up everyone? It's just me. I just came back from getting my eyebrows did, but I'm sweating like a cow. It is so muggy, like I can't even deal right now. Like, how do people do this? Oops, sorry for the close-up. But yeah, anyways, I've had such a great week so far. I have not put up a vlog yet, which I'm so sorry about. I had my auntie come over from Dunedin to stop by before she went to Australia, so I've been busy with that, and I've been busy with I've got no other excuse, but yeah, I've just been busy. No, seriously, I have not had time, and it was a long weekend. We had just hanging out with family. Should have at least vlogged it, but I was just enjoying the moment. I love enjoying the moment, and I don't really think about getting the camera out, so don't worry, I'm back to it again. I'm not billed. I won't be doing those long delayed as 3 months later ones. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, and that you had a great week last week as well, because obviously I didn't put out a vlog to actually ask if you guys had a good week last week. But don't worry, I've got all the quotes filmed. Well, not all, but whenever I had time to film, I filmed the quotes, and I just pretty much filmed the ones that I thought were relevant and could be real applicable to everybody. So yeah, don't mind me, I'm just sweating a storm right now. Like, it's dangerous. I could form a puddle. But yes, hope you enjoyed the vlog footage that I had. It wasn't much, and it's quite like all over the place because I just pretty much recorded everywhere I went. So it'll probably just be those little video montages, you know, with the music in the background, because I didn't do much talking. Every day I just looked like I was in a war because I did not fix this at all. But anyways, I'm gonna go for a walk tonight with the Relief Society, some of the ladies from our church, and then come back and sleep and pray for a job. So yes, enjoy the quote for today, and I love you guys. See ya.